Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert WPS Office to PDF. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and open up your WPS file. Let's say this one, just for example. Just click on File right here, and then go ahead and click on Print. All right. Now, when you go ahead and click on Print, there's the printer selection right here. Click on the drop down. Make sure that Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. Now, go ahead and change these settings however you want. All right. But once done, just click on Print. Wait a bit. Now, go ahead and save it wherever you want. Give it a name. For example, just sample. And the save as type will be PDF document. Click on Save. Once done, check it out. And here we have it. Here we have the PDF sample. All right. There you have it. That's how simple it is to convert WPS Office to PDF. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.